Dear students, I welcome you to have a joyful learning. Human brain understands everything in the form of images. Maybe a story or a concept of science we understand in the form of images. We can't store all the words and sentences of a book in our brain, but we can store all the concepts in our brain in the form of images. When students listen to a teacher, those students who are able to create a right mental images can understand the concept easily and can retain it for a long time and recall it at any time. But all may not be able to create right images. At the same time, image creation varies from person to person. So, when the concept is presented in the form of pictures and animations, one can understand any difficult concept easily, clearly, and thoroughly. The toughness and easiness of concepts lie on the ability to create mental images. This lesson is aimed at creating mental images with the help of pictures and animations. I hope this would kindle your interest, enhance your ability to create mental movies, enlighten you, enrich you with new ideas, empower you to face new challenges, and enable you to reach greater heights. Images are vital parts of science, technology, and innovations. Your brain is a mental camera making mental movies, and you are the director. Dear students, today let us discuss about dihybrid cross. A cross which involves two pairs of contrasting characters is called a dihybrid cross. The cross between color of the seeds and shape of the seeds of pea plants is a dihybrid cross. Color of the seeds is a single character. It has a pair of contrasting characters, yellow and green seeds. Shape of the seeds is a single character. It has a pair of contrasting characters, round and wrinkled seeds. As these two pairs of contrasting characters are considered in a single cross, it is known as a dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross between pea plants bearing round yellow seeds and wrinkled green seeds. In a cross between pea plants bearing round yellow seeds, capital R, capital Y, and pea plants bearing wrinkled green seeds, small r, small y, all the F1 hybrids produced round yellow seeds, capital R, Y, small y. This happened because round shape and yellow color are the dominant characters. When the F1 hybrids were self-pollinated, F2 progeny is formed. The round shape is dominant over the wrinkled shape. The yellow color is dominant over the green color. The genotype of round seeds is capital R, or capital R, small r. The genotype of wrinkled seeds is small r. The genotype of yellow seeds is capital Y, or capital Y, small y. The genotype of green seeds is small y. The genotype of the parents are capital R, capital Y, round yellow, and small r, small y, wrinkled green. The gametes, capital R, Y, and small y, fuse together to produce the F1 hybrids, capital R, capital Y, round yellow. This cross is done between round yellow seeds, capital R, capital Y, and wrinkled green seeds, small r, small y. Two kinds of gametes are produced during gametogenesis with the genotypes capital R, Y, and small y. These gametes fuse together to form the F1 hybrids, all bearing round yellow seeds, capital R small r, capital Y small y. This happens because round shape and yellow color are dominant characters. The F1 offsprings bearing roundel seeds, capital R small r, capital Y small y, are self-pollinated with the other offsprings bearing roundel seeds, capital R small r, capital Y small y. Four kinds of gametes are produced during gametogenesis with the genotypes capital R capital Y, capital R small y, small r capital Y, and small r small y. The gametes of male parent capital R capital Y, capital R small y, small r capital Y, small r small y, fuse with the gametes of the female parent capital R capital Y, capital R small y, small r capital Y, small r small y to form the F2 hybrids. The traits of F2 hybrids were as follows: 9 round yellow seeds, 3 round green seeds, 3 wrinkled yellow seeds, 1 wrinkled green seed. Hence, the F2 dihybrid ratio is 9:3:3:1. Based on the observations of dihybrid cross, Mendel proposed the law of independent assortment. This law states that when two pairs of contrasting characters are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters. Dihybrid cross between pea plants bearing round green seeds and wrinkled yellow seeds. In a cross between pea plants bearing round green seeds, capital R, small y, and pea plants bearing wrinkled yellow seeds, small r, capital Y, all the F1 hybrids produced round yellow seeds, capital R, capital Y, small y. This is due to the dominance of the traits round shape and yellow color. When the F1 hybrids were self-pollinated, F2 progeny is formed as follows. Here you can see the traits, number of plants, and the ratio. Round yellow, 315 plants. Round green, 108 plants. Wrinkled yellow, 101 plants. Wrinkled green, 32 plants. Total, 556 plants. The ratio is 9:3:3:1. Dear students, now you can watch the animation of dihybrid cross. I hope you had a joyful learning and enjoyed watching this video. Thank you. God bless you.